In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down list in Figma. By the end, you'll have a polished drop-down you can reuse across your designs, whether you're prototyping a form, a settings menu, or a simple filter. First, head over to figma.com in your browser and open your workspace. From there, look for the community section. This is where designers share ready-made components and files you can learn from or adapt. It's a great shortcut because you can start with a well-structured example instead of building every state from scratch. Inside community, use the search bar and type drop-down list. Keep the spacing the same as you type it to get the most relevant results. You'll see a range of options from simple menus to more advanced components with interactions built in. Take a moment to preview the thumbnails and descriptions so you pick something that matches your style and complexity needs. When you find a template you like, click into it to view the details. You can usually scroll to see the component states such as default, hover, and open. This quick review helps you avoid surprises later and ensures the template includes the behaviors you want. Next, click Open in Figma to bring the file into your own workspace. Depending on the file type, this button might appear as duplicate or get a copy. The result is the same. You'll have an editable version in your drafts. Give it a moment to load, then open the page or frame that contains the drop-down component so you can start working with it. Now customize it, rename the component to match your design system, then update the text labels to reflect your real menu options. Adjust typography, colors, and corner radii using your existing styles so everything feels on brand. If the template uses auto layout, you can easily add or remove items. Watch the spacing and padding values so the open state stays neat. Many drop-down templates include variants for closed and open states, typically labeled default and open. Edit both so they stay visually consistent. If icons are included, swap them for the ones in your library and check alignment in both states. For interactive prototypes, open the prototype tab and ensure the trigger changes from the closed state to the open state on click with a smooth animation. Finally, preview the result to confirm the text, spacing, and interactions feel right. That's it, a clean, customizable drop-down list in Figma ready to reuse across your project.